7:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Friday, January 13th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Florida until I fly back tomorrow morning. So on a tricky trading day, on targets that we've talked about the better part of the last few days, few weeks, we've talked about, can XRP possibly push up to this 44-45 cent level, actually, now that we say that. If you're part of Tom's army, I just snuck it in here today, and I put down, just in case anybody was interested in trading, I put out for the ones looking to trade, and I showed the short side if they wanted to do that as well, but that was obviously if we broke down. But this is for anybody who wanted to long it. I talked about you can put a buy at 372 or 371, stop loss at 368, and then based on your tolerance, the 378, 384, or 396 range. I just said be careful because it's very volatile. And as you can see, we've pushed that 396 range right now. So those were the three targets that I had put out that you could do a leverage trade, that you could actually play along. And I said to only do a 7 to 10x just because of volatility. But it absolutely came up to that 396 level. Pretty close, actually. It actually touched over 40 cents briefly. So we're going to see how this plays out. We're going to see if this can continue to push up. We have many layers to go, but we've broken out on top of this ascending triangle as we talked about. And we talked about very clearly. I hope you guys are watching and paying attention and following along, because there was that ability to make money here, but it's all about your risk tolerance. I won't tell you to trade, but what I will tell you is a setup that I see that looks promising, and that's what I did yesterday. Or I mean earlier today before this broke out. So I'm not going to always tell you to trade, but when I see something lining up, I'll tell you that there's a pump or whatever coming in. I'll tell you the easiest way to do it. And because I care, I give you the numbers. I give you the stop losses. I give you the targets. And then it's up to you if you want to go beyond those targets. Those were just what I thought would be, you know, an appropriate range, was the 396 at the end. And then you could go from there. Right now, though, we're going to have a healthy retracement. And that's already starting. And we're going to see how far down exactly it continues. We'll know more in the 30-minute once we can get another about 20 minutes deep into here. We need to get to the rest of this candle in 7 minutes, and then we're going to have to finish another couple 30-minute candles, and then we can figure it out again from there. If you're looking for a hold and this not to be like a head and shoulders pattern, you're looking right here for us to hold like this 378, or where X marks the spot at worst would be the 371 again. But now that it's broke out of here, you very well could sideways across and then end up hitting here about the 386 level, the 381 level. So that's what I'm looking for. So pay attention to that with XRP. And I'm busy. I fly out tomorrow, so I'm getting my stuff ready. But for Bitcoin, we've talked about it. It's so funny how, not even funny, but these targets that I had put out here just 2 days ago and yesterday, we talked about the 20,955. And I think I have another chart that may make it a little bit easier to see what I'm talking about. So the 20,855 roughly. Now if we can hold 20,335 here, it would give you another push area to 23,500 if it could hold it. We're having a very volatile swing right now, and right now we're pushing these bear flat, or the bearish continuation patterns, and we're having these big retracements now. And like I've said in the past, we have a lot of room to go up without breaking this pattern. Technically, we still need to come up to the 4485 to retest that broken pattern formation, the ascending triangle there up there. So many things happening here, many things to pay attention to. I just have a very, very bad feeling that a lot of people, hopefully you have a set strategy. Right now the support on Bitcoin is 20,116. Over the top we've got 20,955. You hold that on a push over, we can continue pushing. Make sure to hit that like button, and I will see you all in the morning more than likely. I may do one more update later tonight. Stay blessed, everybody.